Where are we going?
I forgot. But it's in the beach.
Going to the beach.
Okay. Hi everyone. Today we're at
We're at?
Abu Dhabi.
No.
At the beach.
We're at a beach. Okay. Dahil hapon na talaga kami nung makarating, inabutan na kami ng gabi and we're now preparing for our dinner. And we got this big house with a kitchen and with a room with 3 beds with its own. Actually, ito yung una naming room dapat. Kaso ang daming sira yung pinto, sira yung aircon. Kaya yan, pinalitan kami, binigay sa amin tong bahay na to. Kumbaga, dahil wala rin naman nag-occupy, ito na lang yung available din. Fast forward to the morning, ayan, dahil natulog na lang talaga kami kagabi. Kasi naman, pagod sa at mahabang biyahe. And yan, we rushed to the beach by the morning. Then we saw the sunlight, yan, diba? And of course, yan, surprise, may surfers na rin dito. Last time I went here, wala pa yan eh. Or I don't know, I did not notice them last time. And actually, maganda mag-surf dito, malalaking alon. And yan ay isang ilog. Yung ilog, tatagpo sila ng dagat. Alright, so salt water meets the fresh water from the river. Yan. And see? Though the sand was like a little brownish, no? It's not the black sand as well from other places. Like in our provinces, in Oras, it's like black, darker. This one is brownish. Ayan, brownish black, parang ganyan siya. Oh, yung mama ko naligo na yun, no? Ako hindi pa. So, I'm just watching the wave. Ayan, ganda nila. And ang lamig. Oh, look at that surfer. Diba? Nice, amazing. Let's see. Kuya, go, go, go. Diba? Pak. O yun, no? Nahulog lang. Pero amazing, marami dito nagsasurf na mga bata. And it's good actually, no? I hope they just, hindi ko lang alam. Siyempre may training naman siguro sila, no? And I hope the local government would support them. Kasi talaga naman yung alon dito, perennial, no? Hindi yata nawawala yung alon dito. Kaya maganda siya for surfing. Since siyempre nasa beach na tayo, siyempre gagawa tayo ng sandcastle bilang isang frustrated architect and civil engineer. Charot, ayan. Gagawa tayo ng sandcastle. Medyo mahirap siya dahil of course mas malapit sa water. Andyan ang pagkasira niya agad. So that's why I made it very big. Para mas matagal sa masira ng alon. Of course, pangit din naman kung doon sa walang alon dahil mahirap i-build ang castle kung walang tubig. So, okay rin yung ganyan. After magbabad sa araw ng ilang oras, actually tanghali na kami ng Banlaw. Ayan. And I went back to the beach to roam around and see the place again. Siyempre, bidad talaga. Napaka-orange ko dyan. Para ko talaga magbuo ko ng kayak o ng resort. Diba? It's my costume all the time. Kahit nasa mong yata kita ang orange. Yeah, that's my favorite color, of course. So, nagtutour ako dito. Charot. Nag-tour, kala mo naman. And mamaya makikita nyo. Meron dito nag-shooting yung goblin. Charot. Mamaya makikita nyo. At yan, dito na nga unang sinamon ng Goblin's Pride ang goblin. O diba? Malakas ang K-drama dito. No, I don't wanna get wet. After na nga na magmuli-muli dito ni Mama ay nag-prepare na kami pabalik, and because we have to go home na because it's a Sunday. What are we doing here?
Ordering.
Why?
Anong mini mo, Shania?
Hindi po siya na outfit, pero dito lang po siya. Ayan lang po siya sa tanan. Sa Pililya lang po siya. Ayan. Reveal po
Nag-stop
ng
over
outfit.
kami sa Jollibee Pililya. Ayan, ang ganda ng alfresco nila. View ng Pililya Windmills. Bongga. Ayan yung tiles niya. Comment ko lang. Lakas maka art deco. Salit lang kami to sa Jollibee. Ayan, konting montage no, sa dinaanan namin bago kami nakarating ng Jollibee. Yung Pililya Windmills. Which is a very good view actually. Very scenic, no? Like futuristic din ang dating. Dahil masaya kami sa road trip. Ito, kakanta kami Pakinggan niyo. Just forgive my voice, of course.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Send it to the channel.
Alright. Tubig ng law, ikaw ay dilaw. Ang araw, ayan. Delikado.
Another Jollibee.
Ikaw ay dilaw. Yeah, diretso. Diretso ba?